Good morning, world! Today, new day, new adventure.
But for now, we're going to have a good breakfast to start the day. So, let's go! Okay guys, so now it's time to taste the famous cannolo here in Sicily. That's so good. In fact, I can feel like the ricotta cheese is really fresh.
This is a watermelon jelly, and here they call it melone, and amazing. It's so good, so fresh in the mouth. Here. Our first stop for today, the Mangiapane Grot.
The Scurati Caves or Grotta Mangiapane are an ancient settlement and geological site located in the municipality of Custonaci, in the province of Trapani. This settlement dates back to the Paleolithic period. The engravings on the walls of the cave prove it. The cave owes its name to the family who lived there until the 1950s, dedicating themselves to agriculture and fishing and transforming this place into a real village. Apparently, this family was known for producing excellent ricotta. The village and its houses were restored by the locals, and as you can see, everything is exactly as it was a century ago. So the cave was really interesting and amazing. The good thing about it is that the entrance is free, but if you want you can leave a donation out there. And now we're going to reach Erice. Okay guys, so now we're going to discover a little secret place here in Sicily, in near Palermo.
Exactly! Before going to Erice, we decide to stop at the thermal bath of SEGESTA.
So we actually at the thermal bath of SEGESTA. And if you remember well, if you watch our video lately about Saturnia, it's a little bit the same. But in Saturnia it was definitely larger and bigger, and I would say more beautiful. But here it's really cozy and really beautiful too. It's really peaceful.
We even discovered this little grot here, but I can't describe how hot it's here. But wow, top.
So we finally arrived to our destination, Erice, in the province of Trapani. Apparently it was called the 100 Churches. Well, I guess it's because there are lots of churches here, and we're going to discover. Now let's go to see how beautiful that city is.
So, this is a typical sweet from here and it's called Genovese. Inside there is a kind of cream, but I don't know which one, with lemon. So, let's taste. It's a bit hot. The dough is very soft and crunchy at the same time, and the cream inside is very light, very good, and with a very intense flavor. Here in Erice we took the city pass, and inside there were included 4 different attractions. And actually we are inside of the city museum. Let's go to explore it.
Va bene così?
Va bene,
Sì, ragazzi.
grazie.
Prego.
And finally, we reach another of the attraction included in our pass. And this is the Erice Castle.
The Norman Castle of Erice is also known as the Castle of Venice because it stands on the ruins of an ancient Roman sanctuary dedicated to Venice Ericina. The castle overlooks a breathtaking panorama, which stretches from straight-up Sicily to the Tyrrhenian Sea.
We just arrived in Trapani city and it's already time for the dinner.
Couscous, which is a specialty here in Trapani, and it's with the soup of seafood. And we're going to taste it. I just hope that's going to be really tasty. It's really good, the couscous is really tasty and it goes really well with the soup.